the birds. They're getting big. They're getting big real quick. Hoping to get them into the coop this weekend. I'm really hoping to. Because they want to get out and stretch them legs. Oh, got two more I'm going to show you. Got the one here. Oh, she's getting me some brown. Oh, that one back there is smart. Out of these four birds, there's one that's really smart. Look at them nice orange feathers on the top there. Pretty bird. Here, I got her. Here's the other one. This one here, my left hand. This one is real smart. Smart chicken. Yeah, you are, aren't you? Oh, look at that one. Precious bird. Whoa, baby! Whoa, baby! Whoa!